you all to this French and Korean language workshop. Actually, we are organizing this workshop. We means Department of Languages, Rahul Sankritayan Subharti Institute of Linguistics and Foreign Languages, in the collaboration with Subharti Institute of Technology and Engineering and Nandlal Bose Subharti College of Fine Art and Fashion Design. I hope that this workshop is going to give the best outputs, and I feel that this workshop or the initiative taken by the Department of Languages will open the doors to the in India and also at the foreign states for the employment to our students.
Why you should learn French? So French is one of the most spoken language in the world, and there are over 300 million French speakers across the globe. So if you are learning a French language, being an engineer student, it will be beneficial for you. It will add value to your CV. French is official language of major international organizations also. For example, United Nations, European Union, UNESCO, Red Cross. So if you are learning French language, then you have a chance to go and get an employment there. Learning French also allows you to explore rich cultural heritage. Like French is very rich culturally. So it will help you explore the rich cultural heritage in literature, art, cinema, fashion and other fields. Now about the language course that we are introducing in here in Subharti University. So in the French language you will be starting with the A1 level course, where you will be able to learn the basic greetings, alphabets, vocabulary, verbs. So basic things you will start with, and you will see that it is easy to learn French language through Hindi. So even if you see our name, the company of our name is Love for Hindi. So it is actually the combination of French and Hindi, because in India, where our national, our native language is Hindi, so it is easier to learn French through our native language rather than using a third language like English.
So learning Korean has become increasingly popular worldwide due to the global influence of Korean culture, known as the Korean wave or Hallyu. This influence of K-pop music, Korean drama, films, cuisines have captivated audience around the globe, leading to the rise in number of people eager to learn the language. Korea is now one of the fastest growing language in terms of learners, with millions of people enrolled in language courses and participating in cultural exchange. Beyond entertainment, the interest in Korean is also fueled by South Korea's economic powers, technological advancement. This kind of popularity of Korean culture is also said in a diplomatic term. It's called soft power diplomacy, through which Korea is increasing its border, not like geographical border, but its ideal borders. The immense popularity and the global reaches of BTS, Blackpink, and Korean dramas like Squid Game and Crash Landing highlights the significant impact of Korean pop culture worldwide. These culture phenomena have not only entertained audience but also inspired growing interest in learning Korean language. If anybody learns Korean, they have a very big demand in companies like Samsung, Hyundai, LG, and other companies like POSCO, Lotte, and Hanchin. Samsung is one of the leading economic companies, is a major player in the global market of smartphones, semiconductor, home appliances, and more. It provides numerous job opportunities for the Korean-speaking professionals in engineering, marketing, designing, and management. Hyundai is, as a global automotive giant, Hyundai Motors Company is known for its innovative vehicles and cutting-edge technology. The company offers various roles for those fluent in Korean, especially in research and development, international market, and global operations. LG is also a multinational. Its specialization is in electronics, chemicals, and telecommunication. It has significant presence in global market, offering career opportunities in product development, international sale, and customer service for those proficient in Korean.
Dr. Rafat Khanam, in charge of English and Foreign Languages, I am extremely delighted to welcome you to the French and Korean language workshop. The workshop is being organized by Rahul Sankritayan Subharti Institute of Linguistics and Foreign Languages, which is named as Department of Languages, in the collaboration with Sardar Patel Subharti Institute of Law. The workshop aims to create awareness amongst the students about the French and Korean language popularity and career opportunities in India and world at large. It's an honor for me to introduce or to convey that Department of Languages is initiating French and Korean language certificate courses from this session onwards.
So the course, as I just told you, it is designed to introduce Hindi speakers to the French language. So French language is taught using Hindi, so it will be easier for you. Why? Because French is basically related to Hindi. Like French grammar और हिंदी grammar बहुत similar है. Like हिंदी में जैसे आपका grammar होता है वैसे ही French का grammar है. जो verbs होती हैं आपके adjectives होते हैं. So they are more related to Hindi rather than English. So we are using Hindi as a base language. तो वो आपके लिए क्या रहेगा, easy भी रहेगा समझना. Because you don't have to see कि आपको English अच्छे से नहीं आती है तो problem है English. Now why you should learn French? So learning French give you lot of benefits. ठीक है, अगर आप एक नई लैंग्वेज सीख रहे हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट इज़ एडिंग वैल्यू टू यू, ओके, पर्सनली एज वेल एज प्रोफेशनली. सो फ्रेंच ऑल्सो इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट स्पोकन लैंग्वेज इन द वर्ल्ड. अराउंड 29 countries speak French, like people in 29 countries speak French. So French is an official language there. Okay, so all these companies basically they need the legal advisors. Okay, and when they are working in India, they cannot get all the employees from France. They need Indian employees to work here. Okay, and if you are learning French, then that is a benefit for you. Legal translation and interpretation. So you can, if you are doing this course of French language, okay, you can go to a higher level. First you will do the A1 level, then you can learn more advanced level also. Okay, so it will benefit you in this sense, like basically for the translation, legal documentation. Because you know कि फ्रांस और इंडिया का कोलैबोरेशन अब बढ़ रहा है ना. अवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज़ गोइंग देयर प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज़ कमिंग हियर फॉर द लॉट ऑफ collaboration in lot of fields. Okay, so they need the persons who can translate their documents, who can help them to be connect legally. Okay, so you have lot of opportunities to work there. Apart from that, like human rights and humanitarian laws. So lot of UN United Nations की जो branches हैं, अलग अलग bodies हैं. So their French is one of the official language. Yeah, if you guys have any kind of question, if you want to know more about anything, you can ask. Otherwise, most of the organizations name I have told you, like, but all organizations are there. India में जो companies है जहाँ पर भी आप काम कर सकते हो, being a student of LLB. Okay, so legal advisor and legal things, legal documents, translations. Okay, so in these fields it will open the doors to you when you are learning French.
안녕하세요. How many of you know Korean language? Anyone? Any word about Korea? About BTS? One. Okay, BTS is more famous than our Bollywood actors and actresses. Okay, so I am here to let you know about the Korean language opportunity as a law student. Okay, so why should we learn Korean language? First of all, this language is more scientific than any language in the world because this language have occurred in 15th century. 9th October 1446, the great King Sejong and his scholars have created this language. Before that, the Koreans use Chinese language for their writings and speaking. For speaking, they use the Korean pronunciations only. Okay. After 1446, they got to use the Korean language, and it is very easy to learn. You can learn this language, you can acquire this knowledge or Korean just within 3 hours. The alphabets, from the alphabets to your introduction, like if you want to say my name is Rahul, so just you can say Chonan Rahul Imnida. You can try with your name. Just put Chonan means I and your name, and Imnida means who. मेरा नाम राहुल है. Okay, so you can try. And what is the benefit of learning Korean language in India along with the other countries or for the Korea? Okay. Okay. So Korean language globally, you can see the map beside the. You can see the world map of where the Korean language is taught, like America, Canada, India also. So I know this is in Korean, you can't read, but I can read for you. Chungguk means China, and there is the America, Canada, and here you can see the map of India. So in India there are 5 central universities who taught Korean language. Central universities. Among the 5 central universities, Jawaharlal Nehru University providing the PhD till PhD course in Southeast Asia. Okay, and the cultural understanding of Korea. So culture of Korea and culture of India is very similar. We can use the honorific in our language also in Hindi, as we can use honorific words in Hindi, and there is honorific in Korean also. For example, with your friends you can use tu, like tu kahan ja raha hai, and the more honorific is tum, and similarly the more and more honorific is aap. कोरिया में भी सेम ऐसे ही ऑनरिफिक होते हैं. अब अपने एल्डर्स के साथ कैसे यूज करते हैं, टीचर्स के साथ कैसे यूज करते हैं, एंड आप अपने दोस्तों के बीच में क्या लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं, जो कोरियन कल्चर में है वो इंडियन कल्चर में भी है. एक और कल्चर आपको बताऊं, जैसे कोरिया में और इंडिया में जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो ऐसा माना जाता है, इंडिया में भी और कोरिया में भी, कि पहले एल्डर लोग को सर्व किया जाए, और जब तक पहले वो फर्स्ट निवाला नहीं लेते हैं हम लोग नहीं खाते हैं. ऐसा कल्चर इंडिया में है, कोरिया में भी सेम है. पहले एल्डर लोग पहले खाएंगे, देन उसके बाद वो लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो ये हुआ कल्चरल पार्ट. एंड कैरियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में आए तो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ कैरियर अपॉर्चुनिटी इन इंडिया ऑल्सो, इन कोरिया ऑल्सो, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया एंड कोरिया यू कैन वर्क in America, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, everywhere as a Korean language expert. But you have to know the Korean language first. Career opportunity in law, as you are the first year student, and you have more 2 years, ma'am, right? So after that, okay, 5-year course. After 5-year course, you can apply for Korean scholarship, which is fully funded by Korean government, called as GKS, Global Korea Scholarship. You can get 70 to 80,000 Indian rupee. In Korean won, it will be 12 lakh won. Korea use won as its currency. Okay, so you can go there. They can accommodate you. They can teach you for 3 years. 1 year language training program, and another 2 years for your masters. After completion from masters, you can enroll with in PhD also, or you can work there. After if you don't want work in Korea, you can come India, and after coming India, you can work as a legal advisory team in Korean companies in India, which is more than 600 in India, which is more than 600. वहाँ आप एज अ लीगल एडवाइजरी काम कर सकते हैं, उनके पॉलिसी मेकर के तौर पे काम कर सकते हैं. किसी भी कंपनी में, किसी भी कंपनी को एक लीगल एडवाइजर चाहिए ही होता है उनके पॉलिसी को बनाने के लिए, ताकि वो यहाँ पे आके टैक्सेशन में ना फंस जाए और किसी भी चीज़ में उनको कुछ दिक्कत ना हो. आप उनके लिए वर्क कर सकते हैं. इवन इंडियन कंपनी जो कोरिया में है, जैसे अभी स्वामी विवेकानंद कल्चर सेंटर कोरिया में सऊल में है, एंड बुसान में भी है, वहाँ भी एज अ लीगल एडवाइजरी आप काम कर सकते हैं. कोरिया में भी कई सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिलेगा, और इंडिया में अपार्ट फ्रॉम लीगल एडवाइजरी और पॉलिसी मेकर, यू बिकम अ लीगल ट्रांसलेटर और लीगल इंटरप्रेटर. आप उनके बातों को कोरियन में समझा सकते हैं कोरियंस को, और कोरियंस के बातों को आप हिंदी, इंग्लिश, जो भी आपके मदर टंग है, जो भी रिक्वायर्ड है उस लैंग्वेज में आप उनको समझा सकते हैं. ये वर्क आपके लिए एज अ लॉ स्टूडेंट हो सकता है.
My name is Dr. Jenna Chung, and I'm from Seoul, South Korea. I'm the founder president for Indo-Korea Business Culture Center, IKBCC, and I'm very happy to work with Swami Vivekananda Savarthi University. I also believe that Swami Vivekananda is a really amazing mentor, philosopher, and educator for the world.